Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the HP OMEN 16 Ultra Slim RTX 5060, a gaming laptop that genuinely feels like a desktop-level powerhouse packed into a sleek, portable body. The first time you boot it up, you instantly notice how fast and smooth everything feels, making it clear this machine is built for serious gaming and heavy everyday workloads. The real engine here is the Intel Core Ultra 9285H, a high-performance chip with 16 cores that handles demanding tasks effortlessly. Pair that with the NVIDIA RTX 5060, and you've got a setup that can run modern AAA games, creative software, and multitasking without breaking a sweat. You can jump between gaming, streaming, editing, and having dozens of tabs open, and the system still stays responsive and stable. What makes it even crazier is the memory and storage. With 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, this laptop is made for people who never want to hit a limit, whether you're rendering video, running multiple apps, or doing serious productivity work. On top of that, the massive 4 terabytes PCIe NVMe SSD gives you instant boot times, lightning-fast file transfers, and more than enough space for games and projects. The display is another highlight, featuring a 16-inch FHD Plus IPS panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate, so gameplay feels fluid, motion looks clean, and colors stay vibrant thanks to the anti-glare finish. Connectivity is loaded too, with USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth, making it ready for any setup. And the RGB backlit keyboard with a full numeric pad adds comfort for both gaming and work. Overall, the HP OMEN 16 Ultra Slim delivers premium power, speed, and versatility in one stylish machine, making it an excellent choice for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants a laptop that can truly handle everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.